Your fiduciary in your will is called an executor. Your executor should pay your debts, your taxes, and any outstanding obligations. Is that a requirement? Well, the authority, the power, the role that a fiduciary and executor has in a will is codified in state law, and the will usually mirrors that language. So the executor is the person that acts on behalf of the estate, and this person's role as a fiduciary is as a it's more than a figurehead, and it's not as good as the actual person. That goes without saying. But there are certain rules in place and certain authority that they have conferred by state law. And if they need, the fiduciary needs to do something more. Say, for example, the deceased person was a CPA or an attorney, or they owned a business, HVAC, or contracting, or painting, or a mechanic shop, right, or any business. Well, the fiduciary could not just run the several businesses that I just mentioned, right? But say there's a CPA firm that has to be wound down, or a law firm that has to be transitioned to another partner, or a mechanic shop that still has cars inside of the business and employees and inside the garage. Well, the fiduciary can apply to the court for an expansion of their role. Now, inside of a trust, in advance, during your life, you can plan for those contingencies. If you'd like to speak about the differences or speak about your situation, go to frankbrunolaw.com or telephone my office.